Unveiling the 2023 Polaris Slingshot, a unique driving experience amidst a sea of choices. Amidst the dynamic landscape of automobiles, there emerges a distinct presence that defies categorization. The 2023 Polaris Slingshot, with its three-wheeled prowess and open-topped allure. The Slingshot beckons to a realm of exhilaration and attention-grabbing charm. As we delve into the heart of this captivating machine, a paradox unfolds, a debate of merits and contrasts that ignites the automotive aficionado's mind. The crucible of exhilaration and attention. At its core, the Polaris Slingshot thrives on delivering an unparalleled driving experience. The thrill of commanding this unique vehicle resonates deeply, enticing drivers to embrace the open road with a fervor unmatched. But it's not merely the journey. It's the spectacle the Slingshot creates, as it glides through streets and halts at intersections. A symphony of admiration follows. An ensemble of positive remarks from both acquaintances and strangers paints a picture of the Slingshot as a magnet for curiosity and fascination. The aura of rarity, a paramount facet of the Polaris Slingshot's allure, is its rarity. 8 years into its existence, it remains a spectacle that tantalizes onlookers wherever it ventures. The Slingshot isn't just a vehicle, it's an embodiment of distinctiveness, casting a spotlight on the roads it traverses and casting a spell on those who lay their eyes upon it. Duality in discourse. However, a compelling duality emerges, a narrative that questions the Slingshot's place within the automotive spectrum, with pricing ranging from $21,499 to $37,349 before add-ons. The Slingshot finds itself positioned amidst a confluence of choices. On one hand, it competes with motorcycles that offer superior performance at a lower price point. On the other, it tiptoes near the Mazda MX-5 Miata, a versatile roadster celebrated for its daily drivability. A tale of preferences. In the midst of this discourse, individual preferences unfurl their colorful tapestries. Conversations with fellow automotive enthusiasts shed light on the divergent views. Some herald the Slingshot as an avenue for motorbike enthusiasts without a motorcycle license, channeling the ecstasy of open-air travel to a broader audience. Yet, counter-arguments arise, echoing the sentiment that driving the Slingshot is akin to piloting a car rather than the untamed exhilaration of a motorcycle, navigating joyful terrain. As the debate ensues, one undeniable truth remains: the sheer joy of commanding the Polaris Slingshot. With 203 horsepower coursing through its veins, a spirited four-cylinder engine roaring to life, and a manual transmission as its conduit, the Slingshot emanates a visceral connection with the road. Its prowess is unmistakable, a burnout machine with an uncanny grip on high-speed corners. Steering offers a symphony of tactile feedback, dancing with immediate turn-in on every captivating curve. The Slingshot asserts its prowess as a trusted companion, sculpting unforgettable moments on the asphalt, elevating beyond comparison. In the quest to define the Polaris Slingshot, it beckons a unique classification. While comparisons to motorcycles and cars hold relevance, the Slingshot thrives in its own realm. It resonates with the spirit of snowmobiles, side-by-sides, and quad-bike ATVs, machines designed for unabashed enjoyment rather than mundane transportation. The Polaris Slingshot is a testament to the pursuit of pure delight, a symphony of power and control that ignites the heart of those fortunate enough to steer its course. In the tapestry of automotive choices, the Polaris Slingshot emerges as a vibrant thread, weaving its narrative of uniqueness and passion. Beyond the rational arguments lies an emotional journey, an invitation to embrace a one-of-a-kind experience on the road less traveled.